Why does chewing our food well help our digestion? Plants draw up water and nutrients through their roots. Water and nutrients move through the stem and spread to the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Then, in our body, what plays the role of this route? Our intestines do. They are the path where nutrients first enter our body and travel throughout our body. When our digestion does not go well, we usually notice two signals. We may feel a tight, blocked feeling inside, or have trouble when we go to the bathroom. We can think of these as signals from our stomach and intestines. But when we think about it, digestion does not begin only in our stomach or intestines. In our mouth, digestion has already begun. People often say, once it reaches our stomach, does it really matter whether we chew well or not? At first, that may sound reasonable. But if we picture a regular hexahedron, the answer becomes clear. A regular hexahedron with edges that are 2 centimeters long has a volume of 8 cubic centimeters. If we cut this regular hexahedron in half, the volume stays the same at 8, but the outer surface area becomes larger than before. If we cut it once more, even though the volume is still the same, the outer surface area is even greater. Food works in a similar way. Chewing not only makes pieces smaller, but also increases the surface area. Digestive enzymes mostly work on the outside of food. The larger the area that food touches, the faster it breaks down, and the easier it is to absorb. That is why well-chewed food puts less strain on our body. In our mouth, our teeth break food into smaller pieces, and our saliva begins chemical digestion. This is where digestion begins. The breakdown that starts in our mouth continues into our stomach. In our stomach, through peristaltic movement, food is mixed and digestive juices break proteins into smaller pieces. Food that is partly broken down moves to the next stage and gets ready to meet more digestive enzymes. With digestive enzymes from our pancreas and bile added, food changes into a form that our body can easily use. When food reaches our small intestine, this process becomes all about surface area. The inside of our small intestine is not smooth, but is covered with many folds and villi. This helps make the area that touches nutrients as large as possible. At the end of the journey, our large intestine removes the remaining water and gets waste ready to leave our body. If absorption is the act of taking in, the large intestine is in charge of cleaning up. In the end, digestion is not about how we eat, but about how well we break food apart. The small breakdown that begins in our mouth changes the rhythm of our body and quietly turns one large piece into a form that our body can use. Chewing well is not a matter of manners, but a matter of structure.